In this video we will discuss about the Backstage View in Microsoft Word. The Backstage View was introduced in MS Word 2010. Getting to the Backstage View is easy. Just click the File tab, located in the upper left corner of the Word ribbon. In the Backstage View features is populated by various header options including Info, New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Share, Export, Close, Account and Options. This acts as the central place for managing your documents. The Backstage View helps in creating new documents, saving and opening documents, printing and sharing documents, and so on. I hope you get some important information from this video that will benefit you in the workplace. New Word document. When you will create a new Word document, you can choose any one between a blank document or a document from existing templates. A template is a predesigned Word document that you can change to suit your needs. Create a new blank Microsoft Word document. Click in MS Word icon. Then click in the blank document in the second pane. The main window displayed into Print Layout View. You want to create a new blank document from File menu. From the File menu, select New in the first pane. Then click in the blank document. Create another new window. This window displayed into Print Layout View. To open a Word document template, click in MS Word icon. Then select any one template from the template categories in the second pane. The Template window displayed into Print Layout View. If you want to open a Word document template from File menu, from the File menu, select New in the first pane. Then select any one template from the template categories. Click Create icon. Another template window will open and it's displayed into Print Layout View. Template can help you to create a more professional and visually appealing document. Info option to getting information about a document. A Word file contains information about how the document was created and modified, as well as optional data that can help you find the file later. In this info option displays information about the open document, into the existing or a new file. Click File tab. It's located in top left corner of the window, and then click Info option from the first pane. Under the main info page, you go to the third pane. Click the Show All Properties link. Move the cursor over each property's value. When the cursor is over an editable property, the cursor changes from an arrow to an I-beam and a box appears around the property's value. Click the box to activate it for input. Enter text in an editable property. Click Save option from the first pane the document. Your file will be saved. Microsoft Word documents hold personal or important information. You can protect the document with a password. Click File tab in top left corner of the window. Click the Info tab at the left side of the window. Click Protect Document in the second pane. Then click Encrypt with Password. A small encrypt document window appear. Enter the password that you want to use. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Click the OK button. At last, click the Save option at the left side of the window to save your document with password. To remove password protection from the existing file, open the protected file. A new password window appears. Enter the password that you had given earlier, then click OK button. Go to File tab and click here. It located top left corner of the window. Click Protect Document and also select Encrypt with Password in the second pane. An encrypt document window appears. Here you delete the existing password that you had given earlier, then click OK button. After that you select Save option in the first pane. Now your existing file has been free from protection and it will open without password. Microsoft Word also allows us to restrict the user from editing and formatting documents created by Word. Do the procedure to set the editing restrictions of a Word document. Open the Word document that you want to set the editing restrictions for. Click the File tab. It's located in top left corner of the window, and then click the Info option in the first pane. Then you click Protect Document button that shows a list of options to be selected. Select the Restrict Editing option. This will open a document in the right side of the working area, and it will also provide the option to set the editing restrictions in the Restrict Editing area. Here you can set the formatting as well as editing restrictions on the document. Now check the Allow only this type of editing document within the editing restrictions and choose the No Change option in the drop-down list, and then select Everyone in Groups. Now after setting all restriction options, click the Yes, Start Enforcing Protection button, which will display a Start Enforcing Protection dialog box for asking the password so no one can change the setting. Now you can enter the password that you want to use. Re-enter the password to confirm it. At last, click the OK button. Go to File tab and select. It's located top left corner of the window, then click the Save option in the first pane. Now your document is editing protected, while allowing everyone else to read the selected text without editing. Others cannot edit the existing file. Example, to deleting text or add sentence in this file cannot be done. You may even want to ensure readers that this is the final version of the document. What if you want to remove editing restriction in the existing Word document? Now you go to File tab and click here. It's located top left corner of the window, then click the Info option in the first pane. The Protect Document button will show a list of options to be selected. Select the Restrict Editing option. This will display the Restrict Formatting and Editing area. Click over the Stop Protection button. It will ask a password. Now enter the password that you set at the time of setting editing or formatting restrictions for removing the editing restrictions. Click OK button, then select the File tab. It's located in top left corner of the window, then click the Save option in the first pane. It will remove the restrictions on your file. Text Compatibility Mode. At first you create a new document. Double-click the MS Word icon. Select Blank Document. Write any paragraphs that you want. Click File tab. It is located top left corner in the window, then click Save As option in the first pane. Select Browse icon is in the second pane. The Browse dialog box will be displayed in front of you. If you want to select the existing folder or drive from the first pane. However, select the drive or folder. Then enter new file name to the following location in the dialog box, or you can keep the suggested file name. Then click on the arrow sign on the right side of the Save As type. A drop-down list will appear. Select Word 97 to 2003 template format from here. After that, you click Save button, which is located at the bottom of the dialog box. Your file will be converted into a Word 97 to 2003 template format, and it's saved in the specific location. The Text Compatibility Mode in the title bar that tells you the document was created in Word or last saved version. Open the existing file that you create earlier. Click the File tab. It's located in upper left corner of the window, then click the Info option in the first pane. In the Inspect Documents section, click the Check for Issues button. It is in second pane. Select Check Compatibility. The Microsoft Word Compatibility Checker dialog box will display. Click Select Versions to show. An arrow mark is shown next to the name of the document's current mode. Drop-down list appears. You will see the Word version in 97 to 2003 template format. Click OK button. To see the existing f2.doc file format, select the existing file and right-click here. Select Properties. A File Properties dialog box appear. Your file type will display into Word 97 to 2003 template format. You also see the existing f1.doc file format. Select the existing file and right-click here. Select Properties. A File Properties dialog box appear. Your file type will display into Word 2016 template format. If you want to open or recover the unsaved file, go to MS Word icon and double-click it. Select Blank Document in second pane. Then enter any document that you want to write in working area. After that, if you can't save the file, it can be happening for many things, such as electric power failure, system hang, or by mishandling. Suppose if you click to the Close button, it's located in upper right corner on the main page. Then a Save Changes dialog box appeared. If you select Don't Save, the main page will close without saving your file. But after that, if you want to open or recover that file. So, the main point is how to recover an unsaved document. Double-click the MS Word icon. Select Blank Document in the second pane. Click the File tab. It's located in upper left corner of the window, then click the Info option in the first pane. Click Manage Document in the second pane, and click Recover Unsaved Documents. Then the Open dialog box appears, and here will show unsaved files. Select the unsaved file. Click Open button. The unsaved file content will be displayed in the working area. Click Save As tab. Save As dialog box will be appearing. Enter the file name, then click Save button. Your unsaved file will be saved in specific location. The compatibility mode changes the file format of the document. If you use an earlier version of Word, you might want to work in compatibility mode, or you can save the document in its current file format. Double-click the earlier version of file, like Word 97 2003 format file. Select the File tab. It's located in upper left corner of the window. Select Info option in the first pane. Then you click Convert icon. It is shown in second pane. A new window will be displayed. Click OK button. Go to File tab and select. It's located top left corner of the window, then click the Save As option in the first pane. Save As dialog box will appear. Select a folder that you want to save the document. Enter the file name, then click Save button. Your unsaved file will be saved in specific location. The older document will convert to the newer template format. You see the existing file format. Select the existing file and right-click here. Select Properties. A File Properties dialog box appear. Your file type will display into newer template format. Open tab on the File menu shows a list of files you've recently opened. If you want to open document from a list of files you've recently opened, double-click the MS Word icon, then select File from Word Recent in the first pane. Do you want to open document from File tab? Double-click the MS Word icon. Select Blank Document in the second pane. Click in File tab. It is located top left corner in the window. Then click Open tab in the first pane. It is in left corner of MS window. Recent documents list will be displayed. Click its name or icon to open the document immediately. Otherwise, if the file you want to open is not in the recent documents list, double-click the MS Word icon. Click in Open Other Document option. You select either this PC or Browse. It's under second pane. Click Browse. An open dialog box displayed. Navigate to the proper folder. Select the file that you want. Click Open button. To save changes to an existing document, you must use the Save command. Open an existing file. Edit the file. To copy the document, select Document, press Ctrl+C in the keyboard, and select the cursor in the working area. Then press Ctrl+V in the keyboard for paste the document. After editing or modify the existing file, now you go to File menu and click it, which is located in the top left corner in the window. Then you click Save menu in the first pane. The specific changes to your file will be saved. The Save As menu is used to save a new file. Double-click in MS Word icon. Select Blank Document in the second pane. Write anything that you want. Then click File tab. It's located in top left corner of the window, and click Save As option from the first pane. Then you select either this PC or Browse. It's in second pane. Click Browse. A Save As dialog box displayed. Navigate to the proper folder. Enter the file name. Click Save button, which is located at the bottom of the dialog box. Your file will be saved to the specified location. In the Backstage view from the print page, you can select the printer, which pages to print, how many pages to print on each sheet, or some settings, including orientation, page size, and margins. To print a document, select the File tab. Backstage View will appear. Select Print. The print pane will appear. Navigate to the print pane and select the desired printer. Enter the number of copies you want to print. Select any additional settings if needed. To print consecutive pages like 1 to 5, select Custom Print and enter the first and last page numbers in the Pages box. If you print separate pages, then you'll need to separate each entry with a comma. Select the arrow under Settings next to Print All Pages to see all of your options. To print only certain pages, select Do one of the following. To print the page shown in preview, select Print Current Page. To print individual pages and a range of pages at the same time, select Custom Print. Select any one orientation as portrait or landscape. Then you select particular page, like A4, legal, or letter. To preview each page, select the forward and backward arrows at the bottom of the page. If the text is too small to read, use the zoom slider at the bottom of the page to enlarge it. If the printer you've chosen under Printer support color, black and white, and grayscale printing options, the options will appear in the list under Settings. So, you choose Print Properties. Select Color or Grayscale as requirement. Then click OK button. At last you click in the print icon. The document is sent to the printer. Then the hard copy report will generate. Share tab. If you want to collaborate on your file, the Share command can help. This option will save an open document and will display options to send the document using email, etc. Click File tab. It is located upper left corner of the window. Then click Share tab in the first pane at the left side of the window. Click Email in the second pane and then choose Options. Click Send as attachment icon in the third pane. Opens an email message with a copy of the file in its original file format attached. You enter email address and then click Send button. In the email option, another one is PDF attachment. Click Send as PDF icon into the third pane. Opens an email message with a copy of the file in .pdf format attached. You enter email address and then click Send button. The email option, another one is XPS attachment. Click Send as XPS icon into the third pane. Opens an email message with a copy of the file in .xps format attached. You enter email address and then click Send button. The email option, other one is Internet Fax. Click Send as Internet Fax icon into the third pane. If you have not a fax service provider, you must first sign up with a fax service provider. Then opens a web page where you can choose from a list of providers that let you send a fax over the internet, otherwise it is inactive. Present online. You can deliver a document from Word using the Office Presentation Service, a service that allows others to follow along in their web browser. To use it, you will need a Microsoft account to start the online presentation. Click File tab. It is located upper left corner of the window, then click Share tab in the first pane at the left side of the window. Click Present Online in the second pane. After that, you click the Present Online icon in the third pane. The Present Online window appear and click Back button, then select the link Service Agreement for Microsoft account. Others is Connect button or Cancel button. Blog post. You are going to need to set up or register a blog account so that Word knows that where and how to post your content. This is important because different blogs platforms require the information to be formatted differently. Click File tab located top left corner in the window, then go to Share tab at the left side of the window. Click the Post to Blog tab at the right side in the second pane. Then you click Post to Blog icon in the third pane of the window. The content of the file is displayed in the blog post. In this window, the Register Blog Account dialog box will appear. Select Register Now button. A new blog account dialog box appear. Choose your blog provider. Then you click Next button. Enter the username and password in the required field. Then click the OK button. The Export tab used to create a document to other file types or format. You can save documents in many different formats beyond the default .docx. If you change the document format from export and to create PDF or XPS format, then you click File tab located top left corner in the window, and then click Export tab in the first pane. You click Create PDF, XPS icon at the right side in the third pane. The Publish as PDF or XPS dialog box appear. Select the folder in which you want to save the exported file. Accept the suggested name or enter a new name for the exported file. If you want to save the file as something other than what's shown PDF and Save as type, then you select the XPS document type from the drop-down list. If you click the Option button, the Options dialog box appears. Change the options as needed as required, like select all, current page and pages, etc. Then click the OK button. At last, you click the Publish button. Your file converted to PDF file and displayed into PDF file format. If you want to change the file type from export, then click File tab located top left corner in the window, and then click Export tab in the first pane. You click Change File Type tab at the right side in the second pane. The Change File Type window appear in the third pane. Here displayed 8 types of file formats. Select any one file format in which you want to save. Then click Save As button. It is located in bottom of the third pane. The Save As dialog box appear. Accept the suggested name or enter a new name for the exported file. Then you click the Save button. The file will save the particular format that you chose. Close tab. This option is used to close an open document or to close the Backstage View. Select or click the Close tab from the Backstage View. It is in the first pane. The open document window or Backstage window will close immediately. Managing your online accounts. When you install Office, it will attach a Microsoft account and display the Sign In option. If you want to sign into Office user account, click File tab located top left corner in the window, then click Account tab in the first pane. If there is no account attached to Office Word, then click Sign In button in the second pane, then fulfill the required proceed. If you want to change the Office theme, in the Office theme, click arrow sign. It is right side of the box. Here drop-down menu will display and select any one option. If you select or change the dark gray option, immediately all Office app windows will switch to the dark theme. Options are where you can view and update the Word documents, your personal information, and your preferences. There are plenty of additional settings found in Word's Options window that you will be change. Click the File tab located top left corner in the window, then click Options tab in the first pane. The Word Options window appear. The first tab in the Options window is General. It contains some basic settings, such as the mini toolbar, your name, theme, or background of the window. Other tabs that control different sets of options in the following. Select the second tab in the Options window is Display. It controls how content appears on the screen, whether any formatting marks appear, and how the document prints. Select the third tab in the Options window is Proofing. It controls spelling and grammar check, as well as autocorrect. Select the fourth tab in the Options window is Save. It controls default file types and saving locations. Select the fifth tab in the Options window is Language. It controls the languages used for display and editing purposes. In MS Word, the advanced options are used to customize editing tasks, document display, printing preferences, and many more. Select the sixth tab in the Options window or Advanced. First one is Editing Options. In this options you set up the way of select, replace, and format words and paragraphs. Second one is Cut, Copy, and Paste. Here choose how you want to paste content and formatting within the same document or between different documents and apps. Third one is image size and quality. You apply image size and quality settings for an open document or for all new documents. Fourth one is chart. Here you allow custom formatting and labels to stay with data points, even if the chart changes. Fifth one is show document content. Here you choose formatting, text, and image options. Sixth one is display. In this option, choose a measurement format, show scrolling bars, and select the number of documents shown in the recent documents list. Seventh one is print. Here optimizes the appearance of the hard copy version of the document or change your printer paper size. Eighth one is save. Here you save backup copies, automatically save changes to templates, or allow backup saves. Ninth one is preserve fidelity when sharing this document. Make sure the look of your document is preserved when you share the document with someone who uses a different version of Word. 10th number is general. Among the options in this section, you can change where Word saves your changes by selecting file locations, or choose to open documents in draft view. 11th number is layout options for. In here you modify the layout, such as character spacing, for an open document or all new documents. To add custom tabs and groups, select Options tab in the first pane. Click Customize ribbon in the Word option window. To add a new tab in the ribbon, select New tab under right edge of the window. To add a new group in the ribbon, select New group under right edge of the window. To rename a tab or a group, select the tab or group. Select Rename under right edge of the window. Enter a display name for the tab or a group. To add commands to a custom group, select the custom group. Then, select the commands from command list at the left edge of the window. Select Add button at the middle edge of the window. When finished the procedure, select OK button. The Customize tab will display in the main window. Customize the ribbon in your Office apps. To add and remove tabs will arrange how you want. To hide or show the ribbon in main window, hide the ribbon tab. At the right edge of the window under the main tab, deselect the box. Show the ribbon tab. At the right edge of the window under the main tab, select box to keep the ribbon display. Then click OK button. Your tab will show or remove from ribbon on the main window. To remove a tab from main window, in the Customize the ribbon list, select particular tab at the right edge of the window under the main tab. Then select Remove button at the middle edge of the window. Then select OK button. The Customize tab will have deleted from the main window. Quick Access Toolbar. You can add, remove, and change the order of the commands on the Quick Access Toolbar by using the Options command. Select Options tab in the first pane. Click Quick Access Toolbar in the Word option window. Select a command from list at the left edge of the window under the Choose Commands From. Then select Add button at the middle edge of the window. Selected command will have added to Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then select OK button. The command is added to Customize Quick Access Toolbar at the right edge of the window. Select a command from list at the right edge of the window under the Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then select Remove button at the middle edge of the window. Selected command will have removed from Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then select OK button. The command is removed from Customize Quick Access Toolbar at the right edge of the window. I hope these commands will assist you as create your document in Microsoft Word. Gain knowledge and move on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.